Calendly versus Square Appointments, which is better for booking. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which booking platform is better among Calendly and Square Appointments. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Calendly scheduling. Calendly provides simplistic and intuitive design, makes it easy for both users and clients to book appointments. Allows users to set up different types of events, buffer times, and availability rules. Ideal for setting up one-on-one, group, and team meetings. Sends automated reminders and follow-ups to both users and clients, reducing no-shows. Integrates with payment platforms like PayPal and Stripe, allowing users to collect payments for appointments. Offers a free plan with basic scheduling features, making it accessible for small businesses and individuals. Somehow, the free plan and lower tier plans offer limited customization options compared to premium plans. Lacks built in client management features. Users may need additional tools for comprehensive client management. The ability to brand the booking page is limited in the basic and lower tier plans. Now let's come towards Square Appointments. Square Appointments offers a free plan for individual users, including appointment scheduling, customer management, and payment processing. Features a robust client management system with customer profiles, appointment history, and the ability to track client preferences and notes. Provides flexible scheduling options, including recurring appointments, multiple service providers, and booking for different locations. Includes integrated marketing tools such as email and SMS campaigns, loyalty programs, and gift card sales. Tailored features for various industries, including health and wellness, beauty, and retail. Somehow, it can be more complex to set up and use compared to simpler scheduling tools, especially for users unfamiliar with POS systems. Charges for additional users and service providers, which can increase costs for larger teams or businesses. While functional, the mobile app may lack some features and functionality available in the desktop version. Choosing between Calendly and Square Appointments depends on your specific business needs, budget, and the nature of your services. Both platforms offer valuable tools for managing bookings, so consider factors like ease of use, cost, integration needs, and the specific features required for your business to determine which is the best fit for your scheduling needs in 2024. That's all for this video.